In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up your Amazon WorkMail emails using the BitRecover Email Backup Wizard. To install our Amazon WorkMail Backup tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, select the Amazon WorkMail option. Within Amazon WorkMail option, users will see Use Batch Mode option to back up multiple Amazon WorkMail accounts at once using a list of login details from a CSV file. Go back to the Select Email Source option. Use Proxy option to connect the software to Amazon WorkMail through a proxy server by entering proxy details for privacy, location access, or to avoid restrictions. Again, go back to the Select Email Source option. Now, enter your Amazon WorkMail login credentials. Click the Login button to proceed. Select the folders for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. The tool also provides a search option to find specific folders, which is helpful when users have a large number of folders. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The Split PST option divides emails and creates new PST files based on the assigned file size. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Click on Change button to select the location. The incremental backup option backs up only the data that has been modified or created since the previous backup. The scheduled backup option allows users to automate the backup process. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to Backup option. Next, simply click the Backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly backed up files. Now let's see how to automate the backup process. Click on Schedule Backup button. The Task Name option allows you to enter a custom name for the scheduled backup, making it easier to identify tasks. The Frequency option lets you choose how often backup runs. The Start Date and Time option allows you to set when the backup should begin. The Schedule Preview option displays configured schedule summary, allowing you to review all selected settings before finalizing. Next, click on the Create Schedule button to save and activate the scheduled task. The confirmation prompt to start the scheduled backup appears before initiating the process, allowing users to review and verify the selected entries. Click OK to proceed. Successful creation of scheduled backup prompt message appears once the scheduled backup has been created successfully. Click OK to close the prompt and continue. After the scheduled backup is created, you can manage and monitor it from the Manage Schedule section. Refresh option updates the task list. Run Now option starts the selected schedule immediately. Enable or Disable option activates or pauses the schedule. View Log option displays execution details. And Delete option removes the schedule. Click on the View Full Log option to access a complete log report of all scheduled tasks. This includes information such as task execution time, status, success or failure details, and any errors encountered during the process. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.